nice to see you. When I first found out that I was moving to Stockholm, I was so excited, but also nervous because there are so many stressful things to get sorted. And one of those main things was what to pack when you're moving from Canada to Sweden and when you've never even visited Sweden or Stockholm before. When it comes to the top things to pack when moving to Sweden and to Stockholm in particular, I would say layers. Stockholm has a wide variety of weather, and even within an hour it can fluctuate from drizzling to sunny to a little bit of snow, especially for a lot of people coming from countries who maybe have more mild climates. I would suggest make sure you bring layers and for sure maybe some mittens and things to keep you warm on the commute to school during the winter. In terms of materials that are well suited for Sweden, again, I think as long as it's comfortable, then will have no problems. And if you have a layer, then you'll be good to go just due to the rain or to the snow. You just want to make sure you're protected when you're outside, but otherwise, yeah, make sure that you maybe have a waterproof layer because it can get rainy, or even some sort of shoes that can be waterproof, but otherwise, again, anything that you're comfortable in and that can be equipped for maybe cooler temperatures will be perfect. My main tips, though, in terms of packing is that if you don't wear it at home, you probably won't wear it when you move to Sweden. So when I moved, I had all these outfits or shoes, and I was like, oh, maybe when I'm there, that's when I'm gonna wear it. But I didn't, and it just took up so much unnecessary space in my suitcase. And my last top tip would be don't stress too much, because everything that you would need you can find in Stockholm, and you can find relatively affordable. So don't worry if you forget something or it doesn't fit or it's too heavy, you'll be able to get it. Thank you so much for chatting, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.
Here are the list of videos coming up next in the series.
Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated.
Thank you.